The Bija mantra, or seed sound of the solar chakra, is the Sanskrit vibration Ram. Using Sanskrit terms can seem uncomfortable for many, and rest assured that it's okay to choose a different approach. In fact, the English translation of Ram is I can, I will, I do. I can, I will, I do are action-oriented affirmations we can speak to invoke courage, to inspire discipline, to take the right action, and to promote confidence. By themselves, they are complete sentences. Connecting deeply to our inner state of action ignites the heat and vitality we need for inner alchemy and outward transformation. Let's make a list of 10 action-oriented affirmations that you can create for yourself as your own mantra. Make it realistic and specific to your unique needs. Here are some examples you can use to draw upon. I create the life I deeply desire. I make time to nourish my needs and desires. I cook nourishing meals for myself. I exercise to maintain a healthy immune system. I practice meditation to balance my mental health. I trust in the flow of the universal forces. I recognize when it is time for me to rest, and I surrender when I am guided. Motivating others is a leadership skill I naturally possess. I move forward with integrity. I co-create my reality and allow Source to guide me on my path.